Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no notification sound in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications, and now here you can click on app you want to enable your notification, and then here you can allow your notification. After allow notification, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.